Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can voice typing in Google Docs. So just going to open the Google Docs and here you can go to tools and select voice typing. So select language you want. For instance, I'm using English US and just click to speak. Hi everyone. Yeah, this is This is how to voice typing in Google Docs. Okay, so I think it make our work yeah very easier. Okay, that's how to voice typing in Google Docs. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.